For the last 4 years, I've been using the Sony a7 II as my daily driver webcam, everything from Teams meetings to videos like this. It's been great, and I really liked it, but it's a little too big to fit above my monitor now. So I found the YoloCam S3 after doing a little bit of research. That's what you're watching right now, and I think it's pretty dang good. I wouldn't even consider getting a DSLR or mirrorless camera anymore as a webcam. I think this and similar cameras are doing just as well now and are much more compact, easier to use, etc. So this is just kind of my honest, quick feedback and test of the YoloCam S3. I really like it. It's got great color, it's got great software, and it's way more compact, aka fewer cables. I mean, I had to run, I think, 3 cables for this plus a capture card. It's fine, but on a limited desk space, it becomes a challenge. So yeah, if you're looking into a new webcam, I definitely recommend checking out the YoloCam S3. Affiliate link down below. Feel free to use it or not. Doesn't matter to me. This is just some honest feedback from a real customer. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.